segua. Na swagger see a day way, open you when any senyata. You tip the movie yo.
Then.
What's a way in San was segua?
When you send him by me,
and then to my bottom of the ma. Seguanyo, other workers to late one. Other workers to late one
kind of castration.
Castration, the one someone.
Castration. I was the castration.
Castration.
When
you're shy, and you know the years and 7 at
hey, Papa. Hey. Bedroom upon your man. Also bedroom, madam. I was one and then I've already upon it. One in your way, Julia, Julia, one baby. Julia, Julia, not baby. Hi, Julia Banawa. And then you know, Mrs. Julia, I know when you said, Papa, woman, Mr. J. Julia Sanchez. Hey, hi, Papa. Mammy, look at Sana face. I saw I have fine shit there. When you're when I saw mammy, Shannon Shanano. Mammy, we are no we know. Oh, mammy. Oh, I know we was one I do. I can't know what Julie to know yard say. Julie, it's a good schooler. She had to open myself for some matter. One in Mount Biata. Mammy, say, hey, Julie was some of you, but obey you, Julie. Hey, Nata. Julie, some case and kind of fine. Who's good for what you are? Who was some way there? Papa, what show you? So, woman, because I'm trying for now, but Papa, what show you? Yes, sir. Mamma, no, I give all your fire. I know my mule. Why catch on my mule? Oh, my mule, who are no, we were promised up with my mule, yeah. Oh, my me. So, what should I call out my band or don't call on with Benedict? What I ever pull? Papa, Miss up with some or that. I'm going to tell why the or that see, mammy, no lotion, no retreat, and I would say, what on your subano? One can't tell why. I saw mammy, I'm upon the subanata. What the man upon the suban? I ain't in the fancy of a name of Uncle Mammy. Hey, Papa. Oh, Julie, woman, it's last said, Julie. Yeah, somehow the Julie. Blow, Madame, I saw mammy there. When you know, saw mammy. Mamma's no, your papa, and often be Biara. Bimba, stop, Madame, no, with the banana. So, I don't know, you some banana. So, say, Mamma's Aquaman, Mamma can make a man can't go to Brimichan. I, Zapata. Hey, Madame, what's we now going to you? Mammy, what? Mrs. Guapanita, someone wanted to Mamma, I'm aware of them. We now, this is seeing again about our day now. I know when you're for telling me I am sure no. Why would Tristan change? I'm a phone of why the one for Uncle Wayne, you know, a Jimmy Salmon banquet.